All right, guys, this question on the practice final is about transformations, okay? So what is a transformation? It's the way a parent graph changes to the new graph, okay? So what it's asking is which equation is an absolute value that moves 3 units up, okay? Now, first of all, what is an absolute value equation? You're either talking about this one right here or that one right there, okay? Because those are the only ones that have absolute values. Now, what we need to understand is how any parabola or how any absolute value, any equation is organized. And we should know, especially because we've been dealing with parabolas so much, we should know that parabolas in vertex form are like this. Y equals, you have the a value, you have your x minus h squared plus k. And to be honest with you, all equations ultimately have this, right? When you're talking about transformations, the a value, the number out in front, tells you if it opens up or down, tells you if it's vertically stretched or compressed. The h and k are always talking about the shifts, either left, right, up, or down. You have to think opposite on h and take k for what it is. So remember, h is always inside parentheses or absolute values or square roots or whatever type of problem you're dealing with. H is always with x, and it's always being subtracted from x, and that produces a shift left or right. So out of these two options that we have that are absolute value equations, this one actually has a shift of 3 units to the left because this is an h value. Now, if you look at all four of them have the a value of 1, a value of 1, a value of 1. But this guy right here has an h value of -3, which means that it would shift 3 units to the left. And they don't want you to shift 3 units to the left. They want you to identify the one that moves 3 units up. And the up or down shift comes from the k value. Okay, so this +3 is a positive k value, which means it shifts 3 up, which means that that is your answer right there. Okay. Don't make the mistake of picking this one because this is a parabola and they're saying absolute value. Now, if they would say which parabola gets shifted 3 units up, then you would pick this one up here.